Greetings, health enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Welcome to Brainetainment, your go-to space for brain-boosting content delivered in a captivating manner. Here we delve into diverse topics that pique your intellectual curiosity while promoting your overall well-being. Today we turn the spotlight on a common yet intriguing dietary component, eggs. We'll explore their nutritional value, their impact on our health, and what happens when we incorporate them into our daily diet. So stay tuned to find out just how eggs can benefit your health. Eggs are a staple in many diets worldwide, but what exactly are you consuming when you eat an egg? You might be surprised to know that this humble food is a veritable treasure trove of nutrients, all packed into a neat little shell. Let's start with the most well-known nutrient in eggs: protein. Each egg boasts about 6 grams of high-quality protein. And what makes it high quality, you ask? It's because it contains all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks of protein that our bodies can't produce on their own. So by eating eggs, you are providing your body with these vital components. But the nutritional goodness of eggs doesn't stop there. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals, many of which are crucial for our health. For instance, they contain a good amount of vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, which helps our bodies break down food into energy. They're also packed with vitamin B12, vital for producing red blood cells, and vitamin A, essential for good vision and a healthy immune system. And let's not forget the minerals. Eggs are a good source of selenium, a mineral that's essential for our immune system and thyroid gland. They also contain small amounts of almost every other mineral our bodies need, including calcium, iron, potassium, zinc, and manganese. Eggs are also one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that many of us lack, especially in the colder months when sunshine is scarce. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, as it helps our bodies absorb calcium. And finally, for those who are conscious about their waistlines, you'll be glad to know that an average egg contains just about 70 calories, so they can easily fit into most diets without tipping the calorie scale. So, as it turns out, eggs are quite the nutritional powerhouse. Packed with high-quality protein, a range of vitamins and minerals, and all this with a relatively low calorie count, it's clear to see why eggs are a favorite in many diets around the world. There's been a lot of debate about eggs and heart health. Let's set the record straight. Eggs have been in the spotlight for a while, with many questioning their impact on our heart health. The primary concern stems from the cholesterol content in eggs. A single large egg contains about 200 milligrams of cholesterol, which is roughly 2/3 of the recommended daily intake. Sounds alarming, doesn't it? But before you swear off eggs, let's dive a bit deeper. While it's true that eggs do contain cholesterol, it's important to understand that dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily translate to high cholesterol levels in our bodies. The human body is a complex machine, and it doesn't simply absorb cholesterol from food and dump it into our bloodstream. Instead, when we consume foods high in cholesterol, our bodies tend to compensate by reducing the amount of cholesterol they produce internally. Numerous studies have been conducted to evaluate the relationship between egg consumption and heart health. A comprehensive review of 17 reports published in the British Journal of Nutrition found no significant association between egg intake and heart disease or stroke. Another study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, concluded that moderate egg consumption, up to 1 egg per day, is not associated with increased risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. That being said, like with any food, moderation is key. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients and can be part of a balanced diet. However, they should not be the sole focus of your meals. It's also crucial to consider the rest of your diet and lifestyle. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are all vital for heart health. So where does this leave us? Can we enjoy our morning omelette without guilt? The answer, according to current research, is a resounding yes. Eggs, when consumed in moderation, do not pose a risk to heart health. So feel free to crack open an egg. It might just be the best thing you do for your heart today. Eggs, when consumed in moderation, do not pose a risk to heart health. Now that we know the nutritional value of eggs, what happens when we eat them every day? Well, let's dive into the potential benefits and drawbacks of daily egg consumption. On the plus side, eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're rich in high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. This makes eggs an excellent food choice for individuals who engage in regular physical activity. Eggs also contain essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, and choline, vital for brain function. In addition, eggs are a good source of antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to support eye health. They're also filling, which can help control your appetite and potentially aid in weight management. Now, let's flip the egg and look at the other side. While eggs are undoubtedly nutritious, consuming them every day could potentially lead to overconsumption of certain nutrients. For instance, a single egg contains around 68% of the recommended daily intake of cholesterol. While dietary cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol levels as much as once thought, individuals with certain health conditions like diabetes or heart disease may need to monitor their intake. Similarly, eggs are high in saturated fat. Although the relationship between saturated fat and heart disease is complex and still a subject of debate, some health professionals advise limiting saturated fat intake as a precautionary measure. Another potential drawback is the risk of developing an allergy. While egg allergies are more common in children and many outgrow it, some adults can develop an allergy to eggs as well. Lastly, there's the environmental consideration. Conventional egg production can have a significant environmental impact, from the higher amounts of feed required to the production of greenhouse gases. Opting for eggs from free-range or organic farms can help mitigate some of these issues, but these options are often more expensive. So eating eggs every day can have both benefits and drawbacks, but it ultimately depends on your individual dietary needs and lifestyle. Remember, moderation and balance are key. If you're considering making eggs a daily part of your diet, it might be a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure it's the right choice for you. Eggs aren't just for breakfast anymore. That's right. These little orbs of nutrition have crossed the boundary of morning meals and have made their way into lunch, dinner, and even snack menus worldwide. Whether you're a carnivore, herbivore, or somewhere in between, eggs can find a place on your plate. They are a staple in vegetarian diets as a primary source of high-quality protein. Even vegans have found ways to incorporate the nutritional benefits of eggs into their diets, using ingredients like chickpea flour or tofu to create egg-like dishes. Eggs are not just versatile in terms of the diets they fit into, but also in the myriad ways they can be cooked and enjoyed. From a simple boiled or poached egg to a fancy French omelette, from a comforting egg curry to a creamy carbonara, eggs are the unsung heroes of many dishes. They can be the star of the show or play a supporting role, blending seamlessly into the background, enhancing the flavors of other ingredients. And let's not forget about baking. Eggs provide structure, leavening, and moisture in baked goods. From breads to cakes, cookies to pastries, the culinary world would be a much duller place without eggs. Eggs also fit into various health-conscious eating plans. Whether you're following a low-carb, high-protein, or balanced diet, eggs can be a part of it. With their versatility and nutritional profile, eggs can certainly play a beneficial role in your diet. So let's crack open the possibilities and explore the many ways eggs can enhance our meals and our health. We've cracked the shell on the truth about eggs today. We've journeyed through the nutritional labyrinth and discovered that eggs are indeed a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, making them a critical component of a balanced diet. We've also investigated the relationship between eggs and heart health. While it's true that eggs contain cholesterol, it's also true that dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily translate to high blood cholesterol levels. The key lies in balance and moderation. Then, we weighed the pros and cons of eating eggs daily. While they offer a plethora of health benefits, it's important to remember that too much of anything can tip the scales. Incorporating eggs into your diet should be done thoughtfully, taking into account your individual health needs and circumstances. We also explored the versatility of eggs in the culinary world. From a quick scrambled egg breakfast to an intricate quiche for dinner, eggs are a staple in kitchens around the world. They're not just a source of sustenance, but an ingredient that brings creativity and variety to our meals. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Brainitainment for more enlightening content. We're here to feed your curiosity, to illuminate the complex world of health and nutrition, and to help you make informed decisions about your diet. Until next time, keep feeding your brain.